here at Paul Ricard, the F1 track in the south of France. We've got 11 of our Model S Plaids. They're coming here with the new track pack. We're putting them through their paces out on the circuit today. Model S Plaid is a beast on the track because we intentionally designed it that way. With 1020 horsepower coming out of the powertrain, incredible acceleration, with track pack and its upgraded brakes, wheels, and tires, all the performance limits are lifted and balanced.
With the Model S track package, we completely transformed the car with a brand new track-focused tire paired with a forged aluminum 20-inch wheel, in addition to our carbon ceramic brake package.
Most high-performance brakes use chopped fibers. Ours use continuous fibers in the 3D matrix. The other innovation here is the ceramic friction layer covering the entire surface and creating this mirror finish. The friction consistency means you get predictable braking performance whether you're driving to the grocery store or on a racetrack.
The Model S Track Pack Plaid really represents the vision at Tesla of achieving a vehicle behavior and response that is always very, very true to the driver inputs. What this means is that even the most demanding driver, the most sensitive, will take his car to the limit, and it will still have the highest confidence in it.